Guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you a secret strategy by which you can make thousands and thousands of dollars by just putting comment in any of the video. Yes, in this video, I'm going to tell you a secret trick. Anyone, if you are having an age of 24, 46, 88, doesn't matter if you are scrolling the videos, you just put a comment and you will get paid for it. And that is not a payment, it will be a huge amount of payment. So stay tuned with me in this video. I am going to tell you entire trick in this video. Let's get started.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Now those who are new on this channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button and click on the bell icon so you will never miss any of the update of our video. We usually post daily tricks and tips, and daily one video we are posting on how to make money online. So stay tuned with me and I'm going to tell you each and every detail how you can make money by just putting the comments on any of the social media platform. Either you can use Facebook, YouTube. In this tutorial, I'm going to show with the YouTube, and the amount will be very huge. So what you have to do is you have to visit uh, the website called digitalstore24.com, and here is the website name. And what you have to do is you have to click sign up over here, and you have to click a sign up as a affiliate, and this is a kind of affiliate program. However, the commission in this affiliate is really huge. However, in this program the commission is very high. So what you have to do is you have to sign up here by putting your username, and it will give you your affiliate link over here. And you have to give the email ID, password, your name, company name, if any, address, and this is the required for the B2B contract. And once this sign up is done, you will be redirected to the landing page. Let me do it for you here. So after putting your email ID or after doing the sign up, you will get a link to verify your email ID. And once you verified it, you will be redirected to this landing page. And here you can see the top 5 affiliates and the top 5 products which you can create the affiliate link and paste on the comment section, and by that comment you will get so many huge commission. So I will tell you, just go to the marketplace here, and here you can see you can get 92% commission on selling this product. It is the overnight millionaire system, and if you sell this tube mastery and monetization, that you will get almost around 50% of commission, and other products also you can get more and more commission. The topmost commission you're getting here, that is the 92%, but the amount of or the earning commission is 44 or $45 around. However, if you sell this product, 50% of commission, that is $176. So I would like to promote this one, and I just click here and copy my link. And I'll do here is I'll just go to the YouTube and search for the best famous YouTuber. Here you can see the Weasley version is the best famous, and I'll put a comment on his channel like in this way that YouTube should not be marked as a spam. So what I do here is I just write a message here. This guy is really awesome. Check out his course, and I'll just paste that link, And if you want, you what you can do is you can shorten this link by using the any shortener website. I will use bit.ly.com and I just paste my link here and I'll shorten it. And once I shorten it, I copy it and go to the YouTube again and just replace the link and post this comment on his video. You can see there are 663 comments on his video and there are almost around 9k views on his video. So what it does, it means you will get huge amount of crowd here, and if someone purchase by clicking on your link, then you will get the commission paid from this website. So this is all about for the today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video and start making the money. Thank you.